I'll never forget the day that I got my first person on board. After 2 years of failing miserably at personal branding, I finally found the right person to join our beautiful team. To do what they were drawn to do in life, but more importantly, to help others. I'm also getting new leads every day, so I now know exactly what I'm going to do for the rest of my life. Probably the biggest thing that I got from doing the 90-day challenge is knowing what to do when someone is interested in what we're doing here. I used to get a sinking feeling whenever anyone would ask what I do for a living. Now I have the technique of helping people to solve their own problems. Visualizing what life could be like without those problems. And actually have them approach me for business. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. This challenge taught me the importance of setting long and short-term goals. Having purpose and dedicating ourselves to achieving our goals. Having firm statements that we have in fact arrived at our desired destination on a specific date. Now, I'm still a few weeks away from my goal date, but I know without a doubt that I'm going to get there by ramping up my daily goals and using the 5 elements to success. The next vital factor is to build a very specific audience with similar interests, and how to relate to that audience with an awesome formula for telling a story that's not only about me, but is about the reader too. There was how to express different levels of emotion in my videos to entice the viewer to watch to the end. There's organising content for the week so that I have time to follow up with potential clients. Speaking of which, I've learned how to follow up without annoying anyone and how to handle rejection, which were major weak points for me. But now I know that for every no, it's a step towards a yes. But more importantly, I have the power of the word meh. Oh, and we're not only accountable for completing our homework, but for strengthening our weaknesses in the future. Then there's the hacks like how to look professional by setting up our pages and groups for success. How to present ourselves both physically and mentally. Acquiring people that we want on our team. How to build our posts up and help people to know who we truly are. And last, but certainly not least, there's a step that many people might forget. And that's acknowledging ourselves when we do a good job. Because as spirits, we thrive on self-praise and live to conquer our tasks. So if anyone feels like they are worth more, have always dreamt of following a certain path in life, or would like to start or expand their very own business, this changed my life, and it can for anyone with the right attitude. What's something that you would like to change? Get on the 90-day challenge, and let's see if we can get that sorted.